Well, it's been an interesting week for the estate tax community, especially here in Minnesota. On the federal side, we've had an introduction of a bill to repeal the estate tax in full. This is interesting timing because at the end of this year, on December 31st, 2025, the federal estate tax exemption will be cut in half. At the same time, in the Minnesota House, we've had an introduction of a bill to completely repeal the Minnesota estate tax. And that exemption has not changed for several years. So what do these proposals mean for your farm? So if you're a farmer and you have, let's say, a $10 million estate, right now you don't have a federal estate tax issue, but in a few months you will. And it won't be a small issue. It could be a huge issue because the federal estate tax rate is 40%. So if you have a $10 million estate and you have your $70 million exemption, that means $3 million of your assets could be subject to a 40% estate tax. When you tack Minnesota's estate tax onto it, we could be looking at 50% of those assets being subject to estate taxes. I don't know of a single farm that could withstand that type of expense.